High net worth divorces involve division of assets identical to those divisions that are not high net worth. In other words, it's an equitable division based on community property rules, generally 50-50. The fact that it's a high net worth case does not change the analysis of the court. If things were acquired during the marriage, it's 50-50. The problem with high net worth cases, or the dilemma that comes up frequently, are how do you value the high net worth? So if you have a business, somebody whose business has grown to be $1 million business or multi-million dollar business, you have to have valuations of that business and then figure out how to divide it. But it's all based upon community property rules, which are 50-50, generally, if it's acquired during the marriage. A forensic accountant can play a very significant role in a high net divorce. In fact, any divorce, if there's been community waste or people are hiding assets or there's high value assets. Typically, a forensic accountant will go through all of the accounting records and trace funds. They don't do business valuations. That's a separate type of accountant. But they can trace funds. So if a spouse is hiding assets, typically a forensic accountant can locate where and how much those assets are that are being hidden. Real estate and high net worth divorce cases are handled identical to real estate in any divorce. So if the real estate was acquired during the marriage and both parties' names are on the real estate, it's divided 50-50. If only one party's name is on the real estate, then that party owns that real estate as their sole and separate asset. The other party can acquire an interest in that sole and separate asset if community funds were used to pay for it. And that's true regardless of whether it's high net worth divorce or a standard divorce of two people who don't have a high net worth.